In this tutorial, we'll cover the control point setup and processing workflow for the SkylandX MetaCam. Adding known coordinates can boost your final point cloud accuracy. First, align the mounting plate with the base socket and tighten the screw. Ensure the module and the plate face the same direction. When starting, initialize the scan at a distance from your first control point. We recommend at least 15 meters. To capture a control point, place the scanner down steadily, aligning the center of the mounting plate directly over your ground mark. Aim the device toward objects with distinct features. Avoid pointing it at glass walls or crowded areas. Next, in the MetaCam Go app, tap the control point button to add a point. Assign it an index number, tap Confirm, and wait for data collection. You must keep the device completely still during this step. Once the progress bar finishes, slowly pick up the scanner to continue your route. We recommend carefully scanning the surrounding area for the best visual results. If needed, you can delete captured control points directly in the app. For optimal results, spread your control points evenly across the site. Avoid placing them in a straight line. If you loop back to a previously scanned control point, you can scan it again to further reduce drift. Face the device in the same direction as before, and give it a brand new index number so you don't overwrite your earlier data. Back in the office, import your data into MetaCam Studio. When creating a new task, check the Control Points box under Optimizer. A table will pop up where you can manually type in the XYZ or ENU coordinates and rod height. Alternatively, you can pre-fill the coordinates spreadsheet inside your project folder before importing. Hit Confirm and let the software process. Once finished, click Result. Inside the Geo folder, you'll find your calibrated point cloud and the GCP report.